We are Cory and Wallace, an early retired couple on a full-time journey around the world. With a passion for exploring new cultures, discovering hidden gems, and enjoying delicious local food, we are on a mission to experience as much of the world as we can.
Good morning from Sibiu, Romania.
We have been here for 2 weeks now, and we've had quite a good time here in Sibiu. What do you think overall?
I loved it. It's a cute little town. It's got a lot of charm, a lot of history. The people are super friendly. If you're coming to Romania, this is definitely a place you want to visit.
Absolutely. Definitely preferred it here over Bucharest. I'm wishing we'd spent only 2 weeks in Bucharest and spent a month here instead of the other way around. And as it turns out, we aren't the only ones who think that. So last night we ended up going out for dinner because when it's our last night, we generally tend not to want to have to cook or deal with leftovers or dishes. So we went out and we stumbled across, by complete chance, an expat Facebook group meetup at the restaurant we went to.
Yeah, we weren't even anticipating staying. We showed up an hour before it showed up, but the the host was like, you just need to be able to alleviate the table by 7 o'clock because the expat group is showing up and they usually take up the whole restaurant. And two people ended up showing up like half an hour early, and we ended up getting into a really good conversation with them. They're from the Netherlands and they come here 10 days every single month all year round. And we really hit it off, and we ended up staying and meeting a whole group of people. So that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and basically numerous people we chatted with all agreed that Sibiu is better than Bucharest. So there you have it. Definitely wish we could have spent more time here, and I feel like this is somewhere that, at least for me personally, I could live here. And I feel like we're going to be back in Sibiu at some point in the future. Yeah,
the weather is, I want to say, identical to home. The first day of snow here was the first day of snow in Smithers. So
not here, but like in the area.
Mountains, and the same with like home. So so the weather is almost identical. The foliage is very similar. There's a lot of comparisons, and yeah, it's a lovely, lovely place.
It is. It's well into fall weather now. I am glad we showed up when we did and had the rental car when we did, because we had absolutely perfect weather when we drove the Transfiguration. Also, when we drove to Corban Castle, those were just 2 stellar days. Could not have asked for better weather. And now it's cloudy, cool, rainy, snowing up in mountain passes, and it's only 10 or so days later. So yeah, we timed our trip here perfectly. Anything else to add?
No, but now we're heading off to Brașov, and the people that were at the dinner assured us that Brașov was amazing.
So we're very much looking forward to that. But anyways, we need to check out of our Airbnb now, and we're going to get an Uber ride over to the train station. So come along and join us on our journey to Brașov today.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to...
We are on our train to Brașov now. Interestingly enough, the train pulled up, but from the outside there's like no markings, nothing indicating which train number it is. So we had to ask some people on the platform. They told us, yes, this is the right train. So here we are in our seats, and it should be about a 3 hour, 50 minutes or so journey, and we'll be in a new town.
This first class is a lot different than the first class coming from Bucharest. It's just a really small section. It's a lot cleaner, and me and Wallace were facing each other, and we have like a little table here that we can play cards and stuff on, so that's gonna be a little bit more enjoyable. And we have a really big window, which will be really nice.
11:57, right on the dot. Trains so far in Romania perfectly on time, which is really nice.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day.
Welcome to our Airbnb here in Brașov. We didn't really film much of the getting here from the train station. It was raining pretty hard and just wet and disgusting out. But we are now checked in, and we are on the outskirts of Old Town here in Brașov. It's an older building, but really cute, pretty reasonably clean, and this will do for the, I think, 13 nights that we are here. So we're a ground floor unit. You come in, and it's basically a living room. There's a couch there, there's a little dining table, and our kitchen, which is small, but it'll do for the time we're here. Our hosts left us, looks like some sort of oat fudge cake thing. I'm not sure exactly, but that was very nice of them, as well as a bottle of water. But yeah, I mean, it's small, but it's reasonably functional. 4-burner gas stove. I haven't figured out how to light the oven yet. I'm pretty sure it's gas too. But yeah, there's plates, pots, pans, that sort of stuff. We do have a very large bathroom, fairly clean looking, bidet, toilet, big shower. Unfortunately, this kind of thing is very useless and water's going to get everywhere, but that's the way that goes. And then through here is the bedroom. We've got a desk, we've got a queen size bed, a TV, fair bit of closet, or I guess wardrobe space. So yeah, this will do nicely for the time we're here. It's the next morning. We basically just stopped filming last night. It got late, it got dark, it was incredibly rainy, we were tired and hungry, and it basically took all of our energy to sort out food and getting here and all that. At any rate, this is the outside of our Airbnb, which we didn't show you guys yesterday. It's just this first unit right here to my left. Cute little place. Not the cleanest Airbnb we've ever been in, but it's, you know what, after a deep clean in the kitchen, the rest of it was pretty comfortable, and we had a good night's sleep. We're now heading out to find ourselves some lunch and maybe go for a little wander around the Old Town area and see what Brașov looks like today.
We're certainly not used to the cold weather anymore. It's like 7 degrees out, which is fine if you have the clothes. We do not have the clothes for it.
I can see my breath.
I have like 3 layers on under here. So
it's hard to tell we're Canadian at this point.
It's hard to pack for winter when you're in summer climates 90% of the time. So we have like 1 sweater. I don't have proper pants by any stretch of the imagination. And I mean, I've got a puffy and my rain jacket, which actually works really well, but my legs are cold.
Yeah, to be fair, again, we're carry-on only, and up until now, we've been in summer climates the entire time we've been traveling since October of last year, and being able to pack for cold climates as well is definitely challenging. I mean, what we've got is we've got these rain shells, we've got our black, Patagonia puffy jackets that pack down pretty, compactly, and then I think we've got a sweater each, like a hoodie, and that's all the warm gear we've got.
So we'll see how we fare. This is supposedly one of the better days for the next time or the rest of the time that we're here. We we have like a couple of days where it's like 12 degrees and sunny. So we're hoping to get out and do stuff on those days.
Fingers crossed. That is Tampa Mountain behind me there. We're staying about 6-minute walk from the base of it, and there is about an hour-long hike up to the top. And somewhere up there, there's a big Brașov sign, kind of like the Hollywood sign in Hollywood, California. So hopefully we're gonna get some better weather and get a chance to hike up. Right now, it's potentially gonna rain, and it's the top of the mountain looks like it's in the clouds, so probably not today. I like it in Brașov. We're at the edge of the old town right now, and it's kind of like a mashup of like a little bit like Sibiu, like that kind of feel, but also a bigger city. You know, there's like this really cute little park next to me here. There's old historic buildings all over the place. Kind of cool. Just a little chilly today.
As we're walking around, we came on the section. It's just a big walking street, no cars or anything like that. It's super cute. We just had lunch at Egg and Smash House. They actually handled gluten-free really well. I had a falafel smash burger. We couldn't record in there because they had regular music going, so it was really hard to talk. But it's a really cute little bistro, and the gluten-free bun, you couldn't even tell it was gluten-free. So I had a really good experience there.
Yeah, no, it's a really great little brunch and, you know, breakfast and lunch spot. So they do like, you know, typical egg stuff and then smash burgers and stuff like that. Really tasty. I just had a really delicious smash burger. Their fries were actually some of the best I've had in a long time. But yeah, highly recommended.
And just a note for anybody who's gluten-free, just be aware of what you can and can't have. I wanted a hot chocolate, and when I asked, she said yes, it's gluten-free. I just asked her to double check, and it turned out it wasn't. So I kind of just followed my gut there, and I'm glad that I did.
Anyways, we're going to go for a little bit more of a wander, probably hit a grocery store or two, and make our way back to the Airbnb. Stopped at this little bakery here called Luca. When we walked by it before on the way to lunch, there was a huge line up here, so I checked Google, and a lot of the reviews say they have the best strudel in Brașov, so I've got myself this apple strudel to try. It's still warm, so it's fresh. I don't know if you can see that on the GoPro. Very light and flaky. Tasty. Could use a little bit more apple filling, but that's good. So that is it for our first 24 hours here in Brașov. Nothing overly exciting. Travel days rarely are, and that is just one of the realities of full-time traveling.
Yeah. I mean, the glimpse that we got of the town, it's really cute. Grocery stores, they seem to have a lot to offer. Some of them are a little bit more run down, so we're just not going to be shopping at those spots. But as far as like walking around town, it's cute, it's charming, the people are really friendly, and I'm looking forward to exploring it. Hopefully the weather gives us a brief or it gives us some time to actually explore.
Yeah, it didn't rain today. Hopefully the weather improves, but looking at the weather forecast for this coming week, that's not likely to happen. But yeah, we're just hoping we get a chance to actually get out and explore, maybe do that hike up Tampa Mountain, because that would be really cool to see. And otherwise, yeah, there's a fair bit to see and do around this region, but we'll see what the weather brings. But I think that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks very much for following us here to Brașov, Romania. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up to give us a like, and make sure you subscribe.
And join us in our other videos for more adventures. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.